What the heck? Watch me, 77 seconds.
Okay, so I got some butter and a little bit of oil. I sauteed the onions and the garlic and the minced chopped garlic pepper. Onion, garlic, minced chopped garlic pepper. Who, her? Yep. Oh, why she doesn't get the credit she deserves? Probably. Some diced tomatoes and bell peppers and fresh thyme. I think so too. Who? I think she's adorable. She's beautiful. No, Jessica Alba is beautiful.
I think that's one culture. I'm proud of you. I didn't know they were still doing anything.
Who?
Hold on, you know who's pretty? I don't know if you're gonna know who this is. She kind of looks like a lion.
She kind of looks like a lion, but she's pretty. What actor did Chris say had feline features?
I don't
Who?
remember. Come here, it was before and
If you want to, if you taste it and you think you need to add some more seasoning, go right ahead. That's it for me. And my cooking stops here also, because I don't want my cabbage soggy. If you want to cook yours a little more, then it's all up to you. This is it for me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I appreciate the support. God bless.